Hi everyone, my name is Ben Heath and I'm here to talk to you about biometrics for Info 550. First, what are biometrics? Biometrics are simply descriptive data associated with biological systems. Biometrics involve science and technologies that are used to measure and analyze such data using statistical and pattern recognition techniques. Biometrics have been used throughout the 20th century to broadly apply to any biological system. For example, biometrics have historical uses in agriculture, where it was used to analyze wheat harvest yields. More recently, information technology has been used in biometric measurement and analysis. Here, biometrics refers to digital technologies that measure and analyze human body characteristics. It is this specific application that is the focus of my presentation. There are two classes of biometrics. The first is physiological biometrics, which are descriptive characteristics of a person's body shape and its features. Think of this as how a person looks or some physical feature of their body. Examples include fingerprint patterns, DNA, and iris recognition. The second class is behavioral biometrics. These are informative characteristics of how a person acts or behaves. Examples of behavioral biometrics include a person's gait or walking style, or their vocal fingerprint with its signature features. How do biometric systems work? First, a person presents their body part to a system sensor for measurement. The system then collects data, often by capturing an image of the body part, and pre-processing it into digital form. Then the system analyzes the image by extracting features that are indicative of certain patterns according to specific algorithms. The system then creates a digital template of those features. The unique template can then be stored in a biometric database for later analysis, retrieval, or cross-comparison to other templates. The system compares the new biometric data template to existing templates using a specified feature called a matching algorithm. And finally, the data analysis leads to a decision process. Here, the system uses the results from the matching component to make a decision of a likely match or no match, either using an automated process or a human-assisted process. There are many different biometric systems available, but I wanted to take a moment to give you a sense for a few of the main ones. Fingerprint and palm print recognition both utilize ridge and valley pattern analysis of the skin. Face recognition systems utilize geometric or feature attributes of a person's face to confirm their identity. Speaker recognition systems use pattern detection and analysis of a person's voice, which gives acoustic waveforms that are unique to that person. Vascular pattern recognition systems utilize near-infrared imaging of a person's blood vessels, such as those that are found in their eyes, hands, or fingers. Iris recognition systems detect unique color and structural features of an individual's eye. Hand geometry systems utilize spatial and geometric pattern recognition of hand silhouettes, such as the length, width, and surface area of a person's fingers or their whole hand. And finally, dynamic signature systems have a person sign a digital display, which then collects information on the direction, stroke, pressure, and shape of their signature. There are a variety of uses for biometrics. Biometrics are used by the Department of Homeland Security in border screening to identify terrorists or other potential criminals prior to their arrival into the U.S. Biometrics are used by militaries and federal, state, or local law enforcement for suspect identification and forensics to solve crimes. Enterprise-wide network security infrastructures, government IDs, and health and social services are also benefiting from the use of biometric technologies. Personal information security and data privacy are areas that are being enhanced with biometrics. Many devices, such as smartphones, are now incorporating biometric security features. Biometric-based solutions enable confidential financial transactions such as secure electronic banking, investing, or merchant transactions. While some biometric techniques may seem somewhat sci-fi, there are actually a lot of uses for biometric technology that you are probably already aware of or may soon become familiar with. Several years ago, Facebook introduced facial recognition for tagging of photos. Apple introduced Touch ID with its iPhone 5S in 2013 to enable one-touch smartphone unlocking. This year, Apple integrated a new feature called Apple Pay, which enables one-touch commercial transactions at merchants. Companies are creating biometric fast identity online, or FIDO, authentication standards to replace current password-based standards. Earlier in 2014, the first FIDO application was launched by PayPal and Samsung with the Galaxy 5S, which featured fingerprint authentication for merchant payments in some countries. iVerify is a smartphone security app that provides phone access using image matches of the blood vessel patterns in the white part of a user's eyeball. Tesco is using optimized technology to create facial recognition advertising at gas station pumps in the UK, which enables personalized advertising interactions. So I hope you have a better sense for what biometrics are. I have some questions here for our online discussion. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to your comments and questions throughout the week.